Okay guys, in-stock lease deals. Right now I'm going to run through the summary of some of the best in-stock lease deals available right now. This will include a number of cars at different ranges, different payments, different body types, different cars, but I just want to run through a great selection of some of the best in-stock lease deals that you can get right now. So let's jump straight into it. Alright, cool. So first I want to start with the new Nissan Juke. The hybrid model, the new shape is beautiful. Value for money is fantastic. The end connector comes with a massive level of spec, right? So right now, if I'm on a 12 up front, which is £2,058.48, I can be in the car over 2 years for £171.54 per month. That's 5,000 miles a year. You want more mileage, increase your mileage, is what it is. A great deal, and more so, it's a great car, and it's brand new, and it's the new shape. It's a phenomenal car. It's a hybrid, it's a really economical, and the new Jukes are bigger than the previous, so there's a lot of space in them. Next up is the Hyundai Tucson. This is an hybrid ultimate model, which it comes with a massive spec. There's so much on the car that you get, the panoramic roof, there's such a large spec on the ultimate model. Now you can be in this car, £3,126.27 initial rental, £262 a month, or £260.52 per month. That's 5,000 miles a year. You can increase it if you want more mileage, but look, that's a mid-range solid SUV with a massive spec within that price range. The Ultimate's one of the best specs you can get in a Tucson. It's a phenomenal deal. New Omoda 5 Noble. Look, if you're not aware of Omoda, a new manufacturer on the market that are absolutely changing the game in terms of what the car is. This car is incredible. Look at it. It's phenomenal. Large SUV, family, have it for yourself, whatever it is. The value for money in this car is something else. It's a very, very premium inside, very luxurious, right? £2,753.25 initial rental. £229.44 per month. It's ridiculous. That's 5,000 miles a year. Want more mileage? Increase the mileage, right? If you want to change the terms, profile terms, everything, what an absolute game changer of a car. Now the final car I want to talk about is the new Peugeot 2008. For me, this is one of the best value cars in terms of a family or in just terms of a car of size that you can get right now. The interior of these new cars have come such a long way, and the front of it is phenomenal. What a car. The interior is something else. £2,275.91. That's your initial rental. £189.66 per month, and you're on the road. That's 3 years, 5,000 miles. Want more mileage? Add more miles. What a car that is. Genuinely something else. One of the best value cars I've seen for money right now. Amazing. Look, right now I can think of over 100 in-stock lease deals. If you're looking to lease, right now is the time. Phenomenal cars and phenomenal deals out there.